The black Fujitsu UHX laptop is thin, lighter and portable. It contains preloaded Windows 10 Home OS with lifetime validity. The laptop weighs just 878 grams. It is powered by 11th Gen Intel Tiger Lake Core i5-1135G7 processor with the speed ranges from 2.4 GHz to 4.2 GHz. It has 8 MB cache, MS Suite that makes tasks easier. It comes with 8 GB RAM LPDDR4X 4266 RAM along with Intel Iris Xe integrated graphics card. The laptop comes with pre-installed Microsoft Office Home and Student 2019. The Fujitsu laptop packs 512 GB SSD storage that can retain data persistently. It comes with a 50 Wh lithium-ion battery with a 4 lithium-ion cell that provides a battery life of 11 hours. It has a feature of quick charge that maintains 50% battery life with 30 minutes of charging. It features 13.3 inches Full HD IGZO panel with an anti-glare coating for a better viewing experience. This screen has a peak brightness of 400 nits. 100% sRGB with the resolution of 1920 x 1080 pixels. It has stereo speakers with Dirac audio technology. The laptop comes with the built-in HD camera and has a privacy shutter that covers the lens of the camera. It has a combo audio or microphone, 2 USB Type-C, 2 USB Type-A, HDMI, Ethernet and SD.